Hey, what are you doing in here? Get up! What do you mean? I just got here. Well, come on, we gotta go. We're going, get in the van. It's just after midnight, 12:30, and just heading to a car park to sleep for the night. Get up early tomorrow and get the dog out and got some bit of work to do. But it's really windy, cold, and but no, it's all good. So it'll be about 1 o'clock, 1:30 before I settle in for the night, because when I get to the car park I'm just going to take the dog out for another walk, and hopefully it doesn't rain, and then give her some water, then settle in. That's it. Have a good one. Oh, it's pretty windy out here. On, so see the video, I guess. Yeah, pretty strong. So it's too windy up there, so just got the jug on. Gonna make something, hot drink, and the rain eases off, then I'll head back out with the dog. But if it doesn't, well, I'm stuck in here for the night, but that's all good. It's good. So we'll see what happens later. The jug's just full. So I might even get my ukulele out, play you guys a tune. I'll see what happens, but here we are, all ready to go. Nice. So got my coffee made and got the uke out, so play some tunes. The ukulele is, well, it's good for me because it helps pass some of the time away. Like now I would be normally out walking around with the dog. I've seen it's too wet and too windy. There's nothing much else to do. Just got up this morning and it's a lot better day. Then last night, the sun's trying to come through. So I better get out and walk the dog. Then start my day. Cool. As you can see, it's a lot better morning this morning. Better than last night. We got here about 12:30 after midnight. And usually I like to take the dog out for a walk before we settle in for the night. So I took the dog out and it was windy as hell. And it started to pour down with rain, so that didn't last long, as you'll see in the video later. But no, the sun's out and it's a good time to walk the dog. And then I'm going to go over, pick up the other dog and then start the day. Have a good one.